Hello children and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do class 9th maths chapter 2 polynomials exercise 2.4's third question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. So they are saying that this is a factor of px. In each of the following cases, there are 4 questions given. For each, this x minus 1 is a factor of the px that are given in all the questions here. So let's start then. So children, this is the third question. This is the first one. Here they have said that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, and then we have to find the value of k also. So for doing this, simply firstly you have to substitute x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to this minus 1, when it goes to the other side it will be plus 1, so 1. Now we have to simply substitute x's value in the polynomial that is given to us. So it is px, so p1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. Now this one we can write as 1. 1 square means 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 multiplying 2 times is known as 1 square. So 1 plus 1 plus k. Now we know that whenever something is a factor of the other thing, then that means that its remainder. So if we are taking this 0 of the polynomial, then its remainder, when we solve it whole, it will be equal to 0. So how we will write is, we can make this equal to 0 because we know that the remainders are always 0. Now it is like 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus k is equal to 0. That means what? I can write the k here and then I can shift the 2 to the other side. So 2, because this is positive here, when it goes to the other side it will be negative, so minus 2. So now the k's value we have got it as minus 2. So this is how you have to find out. So the answer here we will write as minus 2. So what did we do here? There is a little bit of change here. It is like we have substituted x's value. After substituting the x's value, because we have to find the k here, and we know if something is a factor of the other polynomial, if one polynomial is the factor of the other polynomial, then when we'll be solving and putting the 0 of that polynomial there, we will get an answer that will be equal to 0. So that is why we have made whole of this equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 2, and then 2 plus k is equal to 0. Then we shifted the 2 to the other side, so minus 2. This is k's value. Now when we will be doing the second one, you will understand it more clearly. So let's do the second one now. So children, this is our second one, px. The polynomial px is changing, but this one, which they have said as to be the factor of all the polynomials that is given in the third question, will be same. So x minus 1 here also. So what we have to do, we have to make it equal to 0. So x is equal to, what will be x's value then? Minus 1 will go to the other side, so it will be plus 1. So now we got the value of x to be 1. Now again, but in the second polynomial, we have to substitute this value. So p, what is the value of x? 1. Similarly 2, 1 square plus k, 1 plus under root 2. Okay. So now 1 multiplied twice will be 1 ones are 1. So 1 only and 2 ones are 2. So plus, and k ones are k plus under root 2. Now we have to find the value of k, and when we know something is, if this is the factor of this polynomial, then when we substitute it 0, the answer will be 0. So that is why we will write it like 0. Then what? We will keep the k here, and slowly steadily we will be shifting the other numbers. So if I shift 2 to the other side, it will be minus 2 because its sign is positive. Here plus 2. So when it goes to the other side, it will be minus under root 2. So now in this case, the value of k is minus 2 minus under root 2. So this is the value. So here we will write the answer as minus 2 minus under root 2. So this is how we find the value of k. So this was our second one. Now let's do the third one. So this is our third question, that is px's value is given. This is the polynomial, and x minus 1 is same for all the questions here. So similarly as we did in the previous questions also, we will substitute. We'll keep it equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 will go this side. So always your x's value is going to be 1. So P1, now I'm simply substituting x's value here. So k 1 square minus under root 1 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by any number will give the number itself or the alphabet itself. It is k here. So k minus under root 2 multiplied by 1 minus under root 2 plus 1. Now we have to equate this equal to 0 because we know if something is the factor of the other polynomial, then if you substitute the zero's value there, we will get remainder as 0. So that is why we are writing here 0. Now k only I'll keep it here and the rest of the numbers I'll shift to the other side. So here minus root 2 is there. So when it goes to the other side it will be plus root 2. Then plus 1 will change into minus 1. Always remember when you're shifting the numbers from one side of the equation to the other side, its sign will change. So this is the value of k here. So answer will be under root 2 minus 1. Now let's do the fourth one. So this is our fourth polynomial that is given here, and this one I have done as we have done for the previous one also. So I got the value as 1. Simply I'll substitute the value of x here, that is 1. So 1 is equal to k 1 square minus 3 1 plus k. So that means k 1 square means 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 multiplied by k is k, minus 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3 plus k. We have to make it equal to 0. Now what? K plus k will be 2k is equal to this minus 3. When it goes to the other side it is plus 3. Again when I keep the k here, I am keeping the 3 here because this 2 with k is in multiplication position. So when it goes to the other side it will be in division position. So 3 by 2. This is the division position. So 3 by 2. So this is the answer for k also. So answer we can write as 3 by 2. So these are the 4 questions of your question number 3. Hopefully you must have understood this. If you have, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thanks for watching.